Shiba Inu Coin is doing very well to hold its own in terms of current price action. And you know what? The overall cryptocurrency market is facing a lot of uncertainty, a lot of instability right now. And traders are beginning to wonder if Bitcoin continues to come back down, how far is it going to fall? And if it does, how far is Shiba Inu Coin going to fall? Now, I don't know the exact answers because nobody knows exactly what price action is going to be taking place. But Bitcoin has support at $60,000 and again at about $54,000. Shiba Inu Coin has support at around 2,000 points per coin and again at 1,800 points per coin. So there's a lot of support levels that do need to get hit before you see some sort of a catastrophe. But I want to talk about some positive catalysts in this video. I want to talk about specifically 3 reasons that could drive Shiba Inu Coin higher in the coming days and weeks. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. You don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff. You get KuCoin, Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Pionex. Use one of them, use all of them. Get some of the free crypto or get all of the free crypto if you guys want. But just be aware if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered in the custody of those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing the Bro merch, grabbing the SHIB merch. If you guys buy anything off of Amazon, it doesn't have to be the Bro merch or SHIB merch, but literally if you're going to go out and get a new phone case, you guys can burn Shiba Inu Coin. Now, how does it work? Both of those links down there are affiliate links. They land on a Bro merch store or a SHIB merch store. You do not have to buy that stuff, but simply open Amazon through one of those links, search for whatever you want. If you buy it, you generate between a 1 to 1.5% on average commission. Some stuff is higher, some stuff is lower, but it averages out to be about 1 to 1.5%. Now, I know that you wouldn't be using that link otherwise, so I burned that commission. And it is as simple as that. March's accumulation resulted in over a $700 Shiba Inu Coin burn absolutely free. Just burning Amazon's profit. I want to accumulate more than that in April, but we are currently just behind March's pace. So make sure you guys continue using that, make sure to continue sharing that, and let's burn as much Shiba Inu Coin as possible absolutely free. Now guys, with the price action kind of following Bitcoin, right? Shiba Inu Coin might be outpacing the gains a little bit, might be outpacing the losses a little bit, because of course it is a little bit more of a volatile asset than Bitcoin is. We've got a lot of people who are bearish, but we also have a lot of people who are bullish. And I want to take a second to focus in and take a glass half full kind of approach and look at 3 reasons why the Shiba Inu Coin SHIB price can take off soon despite the recent crashes. Now, we know that the recent pullback could be due in 2 parts. Number 1, more conservative investors pulling back before the Bitcoin halving due to their uncertainty. Think about it like an earnings report. Some people, even though they might expect a positive earnings report, might sell off of a stock simply because they do not want to deal with the volatility. The same thing can be taking place in the crypto world right now, is people are waiting to see what happens with the Bitcoin halving and so on. Another reason for the recent pullbacks, the fighting that's breaking out overseas, okay? If the world gets involved, it is going to get messy. So people jumping out on the initial spook there, and we have to wait and see if they're going to start piling back in, or of course if things are going to escalate and risk on assets kind of tend to be pushed to the side for the moment. But let's talk about 3 reasons why SHIB may rally. Whales are on the move. It says Shiba Inu Coin is among the worst affected cryptocurrencies during the ongoing decline, with the SHIB price tumbling by over 25% on a weekly basis. However, some optimistic indicators signal the valuation might head north in the short term. One such factor is the increased whale activity, the numerous large investors purchasing a substantial amount of Shiba Inu Coin. As observed by Etherscan, a whale amassed over 107 billion assets from Coinbase on April 14th when SHIB dropped to a 6-week low. After says other big investors also jumped on the bandwagon, buying billions of tokens over the following days. Whales are eating this dip. It says abandoning exchanges is another reason. Another element worth observing is the Shiba Inu Coin exchange net flow, which charted massive red candles in the last 7 days. Shifting from centralized exchanges to self-custody methods is considered bullish for the asset's price since it decreases the immediate selling pressure. So people are moving off exchanges. These whales are coming out. They're grabbing large amounts of Shiba Inu Coin on these exchanges, and they're sending them over to self-custody wallets. So you get 2 reasons right there. The next reason is the Bitcoin halving. Last but not least, we'll touch upon the approaching Bitcoin halving scheduled for the end of this week. The groundbreaking event that takes place roughly every 4 years slashes in half the rewards distributed to miners for validating blocks on the blockchain. It leads to a decreased rate at which new Bitcoin are created and enter circulation. For its part, the subsequent scarcity can push the asset's price up. Historically, the halving has been followed by a huge resurgence of the primary cryptocurrency and the entire digital asset market, meaning Shiba Inu Coin can benefit as well. And guys, I'm just going to add a fourth to that, right? One of the reasons for the major sell-off was the war that started to break out, was this fighting. And I don't know how much YouTube really allows you to talk about it, so I'm not going to go into detail. You guys understand what's going on in the world. But if all of that sort of political uncertainty and issues and all of that begins to subside, Shiba Inu Coin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market can not only regain the place that they were just at, but it could create a FOMO buying event where people are excited, they're once again confident, and the new buying pressure sends the price of Shiba Inu Coin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market higher. This year is going to bring a lot of big things for financial markets, cryptocurrency markets, and the overall economy. To add on to these 4, we also have an election year here in the United States, which hopefully brings positive results and hopefully brings gains to the cryptocurrency market. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. Don't forget to share that Amazon link, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.